Oh my god.
My goodness, girl.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I keep laughing.
Oh my goodness, that was tough. Go face up for me. Not so much as you can.
Sorry.
That is awesome. No, you could react like you're supposed to. One more. Oh my goodness. Stay there for just a second.
Just gonna roll your just a little
Yeah.
bit. See how everything is? Just relax. Okay. Felt that, right?
Yeah.
Just a bit less. Just relax. Good. There we go.
Oh.
That's a better one.
To my elbow.
There we go. Good. You okay?
Yeah.
Why are you laughing?
I felt a little weird.
Good. Take it around a sec. Okay, let this go. Good, nice. Okay. What do you think about that one? Just as funny?
Put back to the lift and bring your head back into my locker.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Take a deep breath for me, buddy. All the way out. Oh, nice. One more. There it is. Oh, man, that's tight. The other side, right there. Oh, right there. You okay? Yeah. Let's go face on. Let me check the neck for you as well. Ready?
Are you serious?
One more, buddy. Oh, yeah. There he goes. There goes your ears are bright red.
Nice deep breath through your nose, trimming. Oh yeah. You feel that all the way down?
Oh, yeah.
And the right. So we're gonna do a cervical rotary break on him there. Okay, and just keep breathing. There we go. Okay. Making me work for him today. Okay. Whew.
Good. This side's actually worse, isn't it? Huh? Good. Wow, that side was worse.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I had trouble on that side. You okay, dude?
Yeah.
That hurt a little bit, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Keep your teeth together and just relax. There you go. You feel that all the way down? Mm-hmm. Good. Now see there, she didn't even flinch on that like a lot of people do. Perfect. Oh yeah, doesn't get any better than that. Okay, just exhale. There we go. Well, you're a little tight today, aren't you?
Ready, sir? Mm-hmm. Relax as much as you can. Okay. Ooh, man, that is tight. Your ears are red, and I didn't even do this side yet. Okay. Yeah. Remember what I told you? Look at your ears. You'll see on the movie soon.
The Gonstead cervical chair adjustment. Drop it right in my hand. Perfect. There you go. Good job. So you needed that after all.
Alright, nice deep breath in and breathe out. And just relax everything. Good. Good. Nice little movement there. Okay, the other side. It's usually pretty, it looks, it's a pretty light treatment. It's no big deal. Getting your back adjusted. Good, relax your arms up here. Good. There we go. That was a big one.
Long axis cervical decompression movement. Relax right here for me. There you go. Excellent. One more.